Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming what you already have. This matters because the terminal inherits your environment. Open the command palette, pick Terminal, select Default Shell, and set PowerShell, Bash, or WSL as needed. Next, make sure path includes tools you need Node, Python, Git, because missing paths cause command not found errors. Once done, restart VS Code so the changes take effect. That simple restart often resolves many startup mismatches and avoids chasing phantom bugs. You now diagnose the middle, where things usually break. This explains why your terminal behaves oddly. Open developer tools to catch error messages, then review settings. JSON for terminal, integrated. Shell, asterisk and terminal, integrated. Env, asterisk entries, mismatches here alter startup commands. Try launching the same shell externally to compare environment variables and startup messages, because differences highlight login versus non-login shell issues. If shells differ, adjust VS Code to run a login shell or source your profile so commands and aliases match. You finish by applying final fixes and learning how to recover quickly. Kill the terminal and create a new integrated terminal to test whether the issue was transient. If it persists, disable extensions one by one, because extensions commonly inject startup scripts or modify environments. Make targeted edits to settings. JSON, then restart. If all else fails, back up your settings and reinstall VS Code or reset user data to restore defaults. This clears hidden corruption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.